In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate receivers' name in emails using Mailerlite. This is a simple but very useful feature inside Mailerlite. It allows you to make your emails feel more personal by automatically adding each subscriber's name inside the message. Instead of writing one generic greeting for everyone, you can place a personalization tag into your email, and Mailerlite will replace that tag with the correct name when the email is sent. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Open your browser, go to the Mailerlite website, and sign in using your account details. Make sure you are logging into the correct workspace if you manage more than one account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to let the page fully load so you can clearly see the main navigation and campaign options. Now that you are in your account, the next thing to do is open the email you want to edit. This can be an email campaign that you are preparing to send, or it can be an email inside an automation workflow. If you are working on a regular campaign, open that campaign from your email campaign area. If you are working inside an automation, open the workflow and select the specific email message you want to personalize. After opening the email, go into the email editor. In this tutorial, we are using the drag and drop editor, which is where you can add, move, and edit content blocks. This editor makes it easy to place text, images, buttons, and other elements without needing to write any code. Once the editor is open, look for the text area where you want the subscriber's name to appear. Next, add a text block if there is not already one in the email. You can usually do this by dragging the text block from the content panel into the email layout. If your email already has a text section, simply click on that existing text block to edit it. When the block is selected, you should see the text editing options appear, along with a toolbar above or near the text area. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the receiver's name to appear. For example, you might place it after a greeting such as hello or inside the first sentence of your email. The cursor location is important because Mailerlite will insert the personalization tag exactly where the cursor is placed. Take a second to make sure the cursor is in the correct position before moving on. Once the cursor is in place, look at the toolbar above the text block. In that toolbar, find the ab icon, or the option labeled Personalization. This is the tool that lets you insert dynamic subscriber information into your email. Click that icon to open the Personalization menu. The menu will show you different fields that can be inserted into the message depending on the information stored in your subscriber list. From the drop-down menu, select Name. After you select it, Mailerlite will insert a personalization tag into the text block. This tag may look a little different from normal text, but that is expected. It is not meant to stay as plain text in the final email. Instead, it acts as a placeholder that tells Mailerlite where to place the subscriber's name when the email is sent. After the name tag is inserted, quickly review the sentence around it. Make sure the spacing and punctuation look natural. For example, if the name is placed after a greeting, confirm that there is a space before or after the tag where needed. This helps the final email read smoothly for each subscriber. Finally, save your email. Saving is important because it keeps the personalization tag in place and applies your changes to the campaign or automation message. When the email is sent, Mailerlite will automatically replace that tag with the subscriber's name from your contact list. That is how you automate the receiver's name in emails using Mailerlite. And that is all there is to it.